Bonjour.
Je vous laisse juste ici la carte des vins et la carte des cocktails.
D'accord. Merci. Merci.
So this afternoon we are here in Coco. It's actually the Cafe of Opera. I'm hanging out with my two beautiful girls. We just finished doing shopping, makeup shopping in Sephora, and I thought it's a good time to drink cocktail also here in Coco. So here we are. We're going to show you what we are going to get. They are choosing their drinks. Me, I already chose Verben Press. Nakita mo yung nung bobcat yung Coco. Yung unang-unang naggupit. Talagang parang apple cut. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Oh! Yung layer. More hot. After Ritz Hotel, we're going to the restaurant. We're going to eat dinner. It's almost 9 o'clock, but it's still, there's still sun in there. Yeah. But let's see, let's check what menu we will have. Did you book?
Yeah, we booked a reservation in Madis restaurant around 8:30. But it's already 8:44 because our mom, she walks so slow. More happiness. Oh.
Travel bag. At saka to.
Ah, ça c'est trop beau.
Yung nanay mo, nakaganito.
Si on va, moi je vois. Moi je vois pas. Je veux pas.
Ito sana, ganito po. Sana, kaya lang huwag ganito.
Gusto yung ibang kulay?
Eh, parang ganito din siya na medyo light. Pero walang ganyan.
Hmm.
May nagsusuot talaga nito.
Oh, sa Fashion Week, mas crazy pa dyan.
Crazy pa dyan. Ay,
Kaya nga sila nag-exist eh.
oo eh. Hindi ba ito? Ay, balin. Ito rin balin.
Dati meron sila dito ano eh, mga Prado. Tsaka
More adventure.
more luxury. More restaurant.
Let's try it.
What did you get, Ma?
This one is chocolate. Chocolate noisette et yaourt.
Bon.